All right, so looking at some inequalities and stuff, something that we need to consider is that all of these equations are exactly the same. So we're not really wondering what this equation is. So this is a good thing to recognize. This is y equals. This one here is my y equals x plus 1. The question is, where is the shading? None of these are equal to, so I don't need to worry about any of those. They're all just less than or greater than. So I'm looking first of all at this guy. And I know that my shading is above the line, which means I don't want less thans, I want greater thans. If I look at this line, I know that my shading is below the lines. So I do not want greater than, I want less than, which would be my answer. So you're looking at above or below. For this one here, we're finding out which one is in the solution set. You have the choice. You can either graph it and see which one is in there, or you can check every single one of these into both equations. I think we're similar in terms of what it is that we do. So I'm going to go ahead and just move these around. But I am going to check my answer, double check it to make sure I have it correct when I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and put it into the y equals format. So y is greater than 1/2 of x minus 3. And then I'm going to move this one as well. So I have 3/2 x and then minus 3. So these are my two graphs. And I'm just going to go ahead and graph them right up here. So let's see. I have -3 and up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. So this is my line, and it's greater than this line. So I'm going to be shading above it. And then this one is -3 as well, but it is up 3 over 2. And this time I want to have my shading below it, so I'm in this section right there. So let's see if there's anything that's obvious. -4, -1 is so not there. 3, 1 seems to be in there. 0, -3, it seems like it's on there, but in actuality it's on the greater than or equal to, it's not the on equal to part, so this one is not actually true. And then I have 4, 3, and again, it seemed like it's on there, but remember this is dotted, so it's not equal to that one as well. So now I just double check to make sure that that works. I have, what, 6 minus 1. So 5 is greater than -6, totally. And then I have 6 minus 3, and 6 minus 3 is less than -6. 3 is less than -6. This is not true. What did we do wrong? 6 minus 1 is greater than that. 6 minus 3 is less than -6. What is the answer? This is right. Why am I not seeing that correctly? I plug in the 3, I get 6. Oh, I'm plugging in the wrong spots, x's and y's. That's awesome. Give me 1 second. So I need to plug the 3 in here. So this would be what, 9, -9, and then a +2. So -7 is less than -6, and so this one works good.